Hello friends, welcome to Cook to Nourish. Today I'm going to share an ice cream recipe, an ice cream that is dairy free and also nut free and egg free. So this is essentially also an AIP recipe. I'm going to make strawberry ice cream. It's really delicious, and I also wanted to share this product. So this is Alt ice cream maker, and I just tried it out for this recipe and it turned out really great. Plus I really like that it's very simple and easy to operate. Pretty much like there are just 4 steps to it, and it's written right on top of this. That's like I felt it was a really great feature that they have the instructions written right on top here, and it's really easy to operate, and it doesn't make much noise. So that was the other thing. I have tried other ice cream makers before and they make a lot of noise. So this one didn't make any noise. It was really nice, working very softly in the kitchen, and my ice cream was ready in about 40 minutes. So you have like a soft churn ice cream by 40 minutes, and then if you want to harden more, you can put it into the freezer. So yeah, so this is great. I'll show you how I make strawberry ice cream in this, and you could pretty much try it, that same base recipe, using any other fruit if you like.
Alright, so we'll start with taking 2 cups of full fat coconut milk. I like the brand Aroidi, and warm it in a saucepan, on very low heat, okay? And while that is getting heated up, take in a small bowl 2 tablespoons of arrowroot starch. Mix it with 1/4 cup of, again, full fat coconut milk, and just mix it to make it like kind of a slurry. Make sure there are no lumps. Try to break all the lumps. And now next to that coconut milk that is heating up, add 1/4 cup of maple syrup. That's our sweetener. Add a generous pinch of sea salt. I always like to add a little bit of sea salt to my dessert recipes. And then while you're stirring with one hand, using the other hand, drop the slurry slowly into this. And so you have to constantly stir it as you go. And slowly, like within 2 minutes or so, this mixture will begin to thicken, as you can see here. See, that's why I've not forwarded this video much, so because I wanted to show you how it gets thickened up. So in about 2 minutes it will slowly get thickened, and once you feel like it has reached really thick, then that means it's done, and you turn the heat off, and then you allow it to cool. So see, I just wanted to show you the thickness. Again, it's very thick. Now while that is cooling, you can go ahead and make a puree of your strawberries. So we are using about half a pound, about I would say like 10 to 12 medium size strawberries that I have cut up, and I'm going to make a puree of that. So that's the puree. And now I have this cooled mixture. Again, make very you have to be the mixture has to be really cool, otherwise it'll kind of discolor this fresh strawberries. So it's very important that you cool the mixture. Then I add about 1 teaspoon of raw honey, and next 4 tablespoons of collagen peptides. So if you're vegan, then you may want to avoid the collagen peptides. And next we blend it all up to get this smooth mixture. So that's your base for the ice cream. And so one optional thing, you can add like organic beet powder to give it that really vibrant pink color. Now, so I'm going to show you how to make this in an ice cream maker. Now, for those of you who do not have an ice cream maker, you can look at my mango ice cream video, where I actually show you how to make ice cream without using an ice cream maker. Now, but for this video, I'm going to show you how to do this. So this is the Aukey ice cream maker. What you do is the freezer bowl, which has already been frozen for about 12 hours. You put that, you start the mixer first, and as the paddle is rotating, open the spout and slowly pour your ice cream mixture into it while the paddle is moving. So that's very important. So first you have to put the machine on, and while the machine is moving, you pour the mixture. And next you let it churn for about 40 minutes. I came to the 40 minutes based on trial and error. So once I checked it at 20 minutes, it was not done. So I did it for another 20 minutes, and that's when I got the soft serve ice cream. So see, this is like soft serve. So you can have it as is, or if you wanted it to be like really ice cream consistency, then what you can do is put it into a loaf pan like I'm doing here, and then freeze that pan. You have to freeze it at least for 1 hour to get that ice cream kind of consistency, and that's it pretty much actually, because the ice cream, it is soft serve right now, but once you freeze it for a few hours, then it becomes like your regular ice cream texture. And for serving, I always recommend that you thaw it for a few minutes, like 10 to 12 minutes on the counter at room temperature, so that it's easier to serve. Oh my goodness, this is a delicious ice cream. Please try this recipe and let me know how you like it. It's absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video as well as subscribe my channel. Thank you.